It's time to take a closer look at the economic landscape, and I won't mince words here. The financial world is a complex and often treacherous place, and it's crucial that you arm yourself with knowledge and foresight to protect your financial well-being. In the fast-paced world of investments, you can't afford to be a passive observer. You must be an active and informed participant, making decisions that have a real impact on your future. The questions we've discussed are not mere musings but crucial tools to navigate this financial minefield successfully. The bond market, an often overlooked aspect of investing, has enormous implications for your financial stability. Bonds and equities have a negative correlation, meaning when one goes up, the other tends to go down. If you're invested in both, you're essentially hedging your bets. Understanding this dynamic is your first line of defense. Diversification is another key concept. A diversified portfolio, one that encompasses various asset classes such as equities, bonds, gold, and real estate investment trusts, can help you spread risk and weather economic uncertainties. Remember, it's not about putting all your eggs in one basket. Correlation coefficients may sound intimidating, but they're essential for building a resilient investment portfolio. Positive, negative, or no correlation between assets can significantly impact your returns. Recognize the differences, and let them guide your asset allocation strategy. Now, let's talk about the video by Scott with Mest, which delves into the holy grail of asset allocation and diversification. This educational content is a treasure trove of insights. You will learn how different assets move in relation to one another, paving the way for smarter investment decisions. Remember, knowledge is your most potent weapon in the financial world. The bond market has historical trends, including a negative correlation with equities. This means that when equities rise, bonds tend to fall, and vice versa. Recent years have seen a substantial sell-off in bonds, driven by factors not seen in over 2 centuries. The financial landscape is changing, and you must adapt accordingly. Concerns about a looming recession and the specter of prolonged high interest rates are valid. The world of finance is dynamic, and it's wise to have a plan in place for any potential economic downturn. Understanding how different assets react in such scenarios is your insurance policy. Now, let's shift our focus to the 10-year yields, which have experienced 5 straight months of growth. This pattern has been consistent, but a potential reversal is on the horizon. An inverted hammer in the monthly chart suggests that the trend may soon change. Remember, successful investing means being alert and adaptable. The yield curve is another critical factor to watch. Historically, as the curve uninverts, 10-year yields tend to drop. The process of uninverting, not the inversion itself, typically triggers a recession. So, as the yield curve moves towards uninversion, there may be an impending economic downturn. In conclusion, my friends, you're in control of your financial destiny. The questions we discussed earlier are your compass, guiding you through the ever-changing financial landscape. Watch educational content, understand correlation coefficients, diversify your portfolio, and keep a vigilant eye on economic indicators. Remember, your financial future is too important to be left to chance. Be proactive, be informed, and be prepared. The world of finance is complex, but with the right knowledge, strategy, and support from the financial community, you can navigate it successfully. Join investment groups, seek out knowledge, and remember that you have the power to protect your financial future. The future may hold economic uncertainties, but with the right tools and the right mindset, you can weather any storm. As Warren Buffett aptly said, risk comes from not knowing what you're doing. So, arm yourself with knowledge and stay proactive in the ever-evolving world of finance. Your financial well-being is worth it. Happy investing.
Before you go, help us by smashing that YouTube like button. And subscribe to this channel, so you won't miss any of our videos. This shows YouTube algorithm that you value our information. And it helps us spread the message. Sharing is caring.